While I was proud of my home setup in February, I was not properly set up to work at home for an extended period of time. Today, I'll be showing you my new home setup that has been adjusted due to the COVID-19 situation. Let's start with the desk. I originally had an IKEA Karlby countertop on top of an Alex drawer and a trestle. This is a common IKEA desk hack, but I was getting sleepy from sitting all day. After looking at a bunch of standing desks, I ordered a white Jarvis Frame by Foley with the extended range to accommodate my shorter height. Building the desk wasn't too bad, but it was definitely easier with two people. The Jarvis Frame has been working out well for me. It has no problem lifting up the IKEA countertop, dual monitors, and a PC. It's also not very loud when doing so. When extended to my standing height of about 40 inches, the frame is pretty stable even when I shake it. While standing is nice, it's not very pleasant to stand for an extended period of time without support. As such, I purchased the Topo Mini by Ergonomic. I haven't tried many standing mats before, but I like this one a lot better than the flat one I have at the office because of the various slopes and bumps that encourages me to move my legs around. I'm liking my new standing desk setup, but I still spend the majority of my time sitting. For my chair, I have the Steelcase Leap that I got for only $25 from a company that was selling their old office furniture. This was a great deal since this chair retails for around $800 new. While an ergonomic chair can be pricey, every setup needs a nice chair. The Steelcase Leap has all the features you need: adjustable armrests, lumbar support, all of these knobs and levers, and a build quality that will last you for years. For my monitors, I'm using a dual 27-inch monitor setup. My primary monitor is a Dell U2717D, and my secondary monitor to the left being the Dell U2717D. The mix of TN and IPS panels annoys me at times, so I want to switch these monitors out for an ultra-wide at some point. To the right is my desktop PC, but that's for personal use. For work, I'm using a provided MacBook Pro. I have the MacBook connected to an Elgato Thunderbolt dock, which my monitor also connects to. This way, I can switch between my desktop and my work laptop without moving cables around. I use a USB switch to easily share peripherals that I use amongst both computers: an Elgato Stream Deck, a keyboard, and webcam. I'm not a streamer, but the Stream Deck makes for a really handy customizable macro pad. I really like the Smart Profile feature, which changes the buttons depending on the program I'm currently focused on. For my mouse, I'm using the Logitech MX Master 2S. I've been using an MX Master as my work mouse for years because I find them very comfortable, and the gesture button is super helpful. My primary work keyboard is a Navy EXT65 with GMK Metropolis. Since I usually have this keyboard in an Opus Off environment, it's built with MX Islands. The left-handed numpad allows me to easily input in numbers without having to let go of the mouse. This is very handy for the design work that I do. I keep the rest of my keyboard collection on the wall at home, so I will occasionally switch out to a different board for fun. For the lights, my den is equipped with two LIFX Beams, a LIFX Tile, and one A19 bulb in the ceiling. While it's fun to use the different themes, I keep my lights at a bright 5500 Kelvin during working hours. I'm loving my new desk setup, but the biggest drawback that I can't fix is the lack of windows. Whenever I want some natural lighting, I open up the blinds and work on my sofa in the living room. And that's my work at home setup. I'm still looking to make a couple of purchases, such as an ultra-wide monitor and a pegboard to store smaller equipment. Leave a comment if you have any questions about the products I'm using. I hope you're staying safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Until next time.